Why did the puppy sit in the shade?
Why?
Because they don't want to become a hot dog.
I was cleaning out the room upstairs, and I had all these old watches. So I buckled them all together and made a belt out of them. What a complete waste of time.
Well, on that, I only lift weights on Saturday and Sunday. You know why?
Why?
Because the rest of the days are weekdays. All right, okay, why did the son not go to college?
Why?
Because he's already got 1,000,000 degrees.